I still can't believe we're making the first batch of ice cream ever in Ketchun Ice Cream. We have two different kinds of ice cream machines. This one is going to be what we make all of our cakes out of. And then we have another kind that I'm going to show you that we make all the ice cream balls, which we also made for the first time last night. And to my surprise, they were amazing. You've completely changed my life, and